come here. If this is your first time hatching chicks, or you just really like watching a new baby chick enter this world, keep watching. Hey y'all, I'm Renee, and welcome to Tater Town. There's not much to this video, but it is really special. I don't have a lot to say other than this is an example of what you can expect in the last 8 hours of your baby chick's life in its shell, time-lapsed into 5 minutes. From the first pip, which is when the chick pokes through the shell and gets its first breath, to zipping, or opening the shell around the circumference of the larger end of the egg, to finally breaking out, I find it to always be an amazing experience. I really am in awe of how all the conditions must come together for a chick to be born. And you know, they are stupid cute when they're babies. So here's the last 8 hours of Norma's little baby hatching from her egg.
Shoo, hi. Hi, little one. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. You won't be alone for long.
And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more videos that will help you do those things you never thought you could.